Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, remember I will be using the 15-minute time frame, and of course on my chart I am having the custom made indicator 3M trend Milka indicator. Okay, so this actually went on uptrend right from here, and of course give us a buy signal and an uptrend signal, and of course this got to the resistance zone and it played around there for a while. In the morning I drew out this trend line. I said if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it should break out above this, then definitely the structure has been broken. It will keep on buying, but right now we got a buy signal, a downtrend signal, and it broke out below this, and as you can see it is selling right now. We have all this region for free ranging or free milking. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. I remember I gave us signal on this yesterday in the Telegram channel, and it achieved all the TPs. Okay, and in the morning today, I said if it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more. And we have the whole of this region to milk. But it has not been able to break out from there. You can see it's ranging from this region. Okay. So like I said, if it should break out below this support region, it's still going to sell more. But if it does not, then it's most likely for it to go back up to try out this resistance zone. So I still want to believe that this is still going to sell, most especially if it breaks out from here. But if it does not, it will go back up. Okay, so I'm still going with the sell signal because it has gotten to a major resistance zone already. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 started an uptrend right from here, switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, gave us buy signal, and check it out, it has been buying since then. Okay, so let me check it on 1 hour time frame because now got into a resistance zone on 15-minute time frame, so I need to check it on. Okay, like I said in the morning also, I said it will be targeting this particular resistance zone. You can see the red line, and of course it's almost there, and that is where the main target is. So buying right now, it is still very much on uptrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This had been on downtrend for a while, and it is still selling right now. It is moving towards the next target, which is this particular support region. So this is still very much on downtrend, and it is still selling right now. The next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It has been on uptrend right from here. You can see all our TPs have been achieved, but it is heading towards this region. Okay, so this is still on uptrend, and it is still going to buy more. Okay, so we are still expecting more buying opportunity right from there. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.